Oh, wow.
Oh. Hello everybody, it's Halloween time and we're here for a Halloween thrifting video. I have Anna, what's up? Olivia, Naomi, and today we're doing our Halloween challenge. We got together again to do a challenge. So what we're going to be doing today is grabbing a Halloween item out of the cart and then styling a costume out of that. Let's get started! Woo! We just had a little bit of an incident. I just dropped my camera. Lens filter's a little cracked. I don't know if you'll see the little cracks.
Oh my god.
So what's gonna happen is Naomi's gonna pick for the person beside her, which is me, and then I'll pick for Olivia, and then Olivia will pick for Anna, so then that way we're not like closing our eyes and feeling what we want to feel, you know, like keep it objective. This to your left.
Okay.
Whoa. Did she come up with what? Oh, tiara. Okay, that's mine. Okay.
That's actually a good one.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Oh, thanks.
Look at you.
But my head's really big.
Oh my god, careful. Wait, someone should guide her.
Please let
Oh,
me.
wow.
I'm so genuinely sorry about this.
Yeah.
Who put it in the basket?
Everyone else is so
She
excited
did.
about. Oh my god.
I don't know, what is it? The glove! You got the glove!
Wow.
No, I'll take this.
I want to close my eyes too. Oh shoot.
Are we ready? Let's do it.
Let's do appropriation, so.
No cultural appropriation. No cultural appropriation. That's a good one. I think I'm gonna go into dresses. Should I try on bridal stuff or like, I don't know. The thing is, yes, I could very easily be a princess, but I want to be like, I want to be above. I want to go above and beyond. Dragon princess. Okay. Pageant queen. Oh my god. Okay, I know what I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be one of those Little Miss pageant ones. So I gotta find the most ridiculous dress. Maybe a sash, some white socks. Okay, I totally know what I'm doing. I'm super inspired now. In the kids section. I don't know if anything from kids would fit me. Okay, now I'm headed to the fabric section, so maybe I could find like a sash for myself. Ooh, I have no clue from your cart what it is. No clue.
I don't have a clue what it is either. Who's getting what?
Yeah, I want to find out who's doing what.
So we all needed to change.
Okay, I wanted to go for pink, but I think this is too perfect. This is a kid size. I'm like stretched to the max. See the... One, two, three.
We're just gonna show them.
They killed it.
But like
I can't
this
show
is-
you guys. Okay, it's I'm like hulking out of this. Teddy bear, Hello Kitty purse. Does this look like something? Looks like I didn't win the pageant. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out everybody else's channels to see how they styled their costumes and what we came up with at the thrift store. And other than that, if you guys like this video, subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.